What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we're going to discuss 3 reasons why your beard might not be growing. It has nothing to do with genetics, what we're about to talk about. So hey, you already know what it is. Stay tuned. Alright fam, now these 3 things is nothing, too drastic. It's actually simple. We're going to talk about health. You gotta be healthy, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna talk about cleanliness, you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep this foundation clean or where you want your hair to grow, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna talk about the products you use because, hey, not everybody can use every type of product for your face, for your head, or anywhere you're trying to grow hair, you know what I'm saying? So step 1, you wanna make sure your foundation is set and prepared to grow hair wherever you're trying to grow hair. So we're talking about beard. So you wanna make sure that everywhere you trying to grow a beard is prepped and ready, meaning clean. So you need a good skin routine. Get you a skin routine, partner. Get you a skin regimen that fits you. Now, when I say that, I'm not trying to tell you not to go out and try different things, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying you want to make sure you pay attention. Don't just go out and try stuff that people say, hey, you need to try this, you need to try this, you need to try this. You need to actually pay attention to what you putting on your face, player, because you never know. It could be what's setting you back. You feel me? On the markets, you'll find yourself looking at beard products, all type of face washes, you know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you pay attention to the chemicals that are in these products. You want to stick to more of the organic style, something that's going to give your face life, give your beard life. I'm not saying that the chemical products won't work for you. I'm just saying that, you might want to go towards Mother Nature a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter what ethnicity you are. Get something that's going to feed your stuff, not bleed your stuff. You feel me? Okay. Number 2, you want to make sure you have a good health routine. What you eating, working out, getting that blood pumping, you know what I'm saying? Because your body, your hair, we're not talking about the body, but your body too, but your beard needs good blood flow. Your beard needs good blood flow. So if you working out and you eating good, giving your body the minerals it need, getting some sunshine, all that, this all plays a part in growing your beard, player. See, this game that I'm giving you is user friendly. Anybody can try it, and I'm telling you, anybody can try what I'm telling you right now. I'm not naming out products and stuff like that. I might do that in another video. I'm just giving you like a blueprint of what you should look for and what you should try organic way, you know what I'm saying? Working out, making sure your skin care is good, you know what I'm saying? Those are 2 things right there off the bat. It don't matter what ethnicity you are. You can set yourself up for success. Now, let's go to number 3, player. Let's go to number 3. The tools you use to, help your beard grow. The combs, the brushes, derma rolling, Minoxidil. And I know Minoxidil sound like a product, but trust me, it is a tool because it helps people who cannot grow beards at all or hair at all get it. Like right now, I'm using both Minoxidil and the derma roller to help me get my weak spots, you feel me? I shaved this off, cut it down. But y'all can see right there, it's weak. On the same side right here, it's weak, but it's growing back. It's been like a week and a few days, you know what I'm saying? But I can grow, you know what I'm saying, a nice amount of hair now that I've been using the Minoxidil and derma rolling and doing all the other stuff that I named in this video that y'all should try. Hey, I'm seeing results, so I'm happy about it. And I'm gonna be honest, if you can't do the things that I just named in this video to help you get your beard to the max that it can, you know what I'm saying, without doing surgeries, any of those hair transplants or any of that stuff, hey, you don't really want to grow a beard, really. I'm gonna be honest with you because you can work out, you can eat good, you can get you a skin regimen going on, keep your face clean, your beard area clean, and you can use Minoxidil and a derma roller. So, hey, if you can't do that, give it up. And I know you might say, Trey, what if I do all that stuff and it still don't work? Do it again. Consistently do a 3-year routine and then come back and holler at me. Don't come knocking at my door until you try 3 years of doing this consistently, and we're gonna see where you at. If you grow any amount of hair, that's good. That's a step in the right direction. Remember, you can't grow a beard. That's why you clicked on this video, right? You can't even do the goatee. Well, it's the bro tee because it go all the way back and kind of go up the side. a little bit, showing y'all that I have the potential to grow a, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, fam, let me know down below what type of routines that y'all got started for yourselves to ensure that you get the nice, luscious beard, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what type of workout routine, what you're eating, you know what I'm saying? What tools you're using. Let me know all the stuff that I went over. I want to know that you doing it. But anyways, boys, guys, and girls with beards, hey, I'm about to get up out of here. I love y'all. You already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.